A quick announcement for if you want to take your trading to the next level. I recently started a profitable trading signal group in which I show you and I send signals of all of my trades. If you want to join this group or if you're interested in that, go check out the first link down in the description or in the pinned comment. Good afternoon everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on Leverfi and the Lever token. Wanted to make a quick update for obvious reasons. We have just spiked up all the way up to 0.36 cents, a total of, in the last couple of hours, more than 50%. Very bullish. We have also dropped down afterwards, but I actually think that there's a chance that we can continue this bullish momentum. So I wanted to cover it, give you my opinion and just what I think will happen next, depending on certain things that could happen very soon. So let's get right into it. As most of you, I covered Leverfi a lot, especially also last year when it was just launched in July. I covered it a lot. I think it's I think it's a decent project. It's a decentralized trading exchange, which obviously there's some sort of a narrative around that. So altogether, it fundamentally it should have been bullish. But Leverfi really isn't the biggest decentralized application. Doesn't hold a whole lot of volume. So even though I think the project is great, it still has a lot of development to do. Now, however, what's just in is some big news that Leverfi is launching in Hong Kong and China in collaboration with IOST. And this is big news. And you might ask, well, why? Well, because there has been a new sort of a narrative, which I haven't been able to put my finger on really. But a lot of coins that are loved in China actually are very, very bullish. One of the big examples I have is Conflux. Well, if you tell me that Conflux hasn't been bullish, going from, in the last 5 days, from 5 cents to 30 cents, well, then I'm crazy. But this has been obviously very bullish. And Leverfi expanding in Hong Kong and China and them releasing this news, I think is a very smart decision. I'm not sure if they planned it, but I mean, it would be coincidence if they didn't. There seems to be some sort of a narrative around that, and that's why I wanted to cover it, and that's also why I think, I cannot guarantee it, but I think there's actually chances right now for Leverfi, even though we have dropped down. Now, having said that, this initial move seems to be manipulated, which is, I mean, crypto is pretty manipulated, as most of you know, but you can see right here, I mean, these moves, the injection of capital in the matter of minutes, is just huge. I mean, 50% of the daily volume injected in 5 minutes. And then you take a look at the sources, you can also see some shady sources. So I don't like that much, but in the end, I mean, we can still do a lot of things. So if we take a look at the 4 hour, what you see is that we spiked all the way up to this kind of level at around 0.36, 0.35 cents. But we shot through this entire level between 0.3 and 0.32 cents. Ultimately 0.32.5 cents, but all right. We shot through that level, which is, you might say, all right, well, that's still bearish because we have dropped down below that. But that does mean probably that we have gone through some sell orders and that they are now out of the way. So I think I actually think it's the most likely scenario that very quickly we'll be able to break above 0.31 and 0.32 cents again. And from that break retest, I think we can reach these levels around 0.35 and 0.37 cents again. Now, I'm going to keep my price target there, which is pretty conservative, I know, but I have to see first that we'll be able to break above 0.31 cents again, which is our main resistance level. If we can do that, I think we'll at least get up to 0.37 or 0.36 cents, but I think there's actually a big chance that we can go all the way up to 0.45 and 0.44 cents, which is the opposite of a conservative thing to say. It's a risky thing to say. But yeah, as I said, the narrative has been very strong with some other cryptos as well, but I think Conflux is the best example. So now it's all about breaking above 0.31 cents. If we cannot do that in the upcoming 2 days, then it's not going to happen. Then we'll just drop down to this level here around 0.27 cents, probably down to this level around 0.26 cents and consolidate there and slowly continue the uptrend, which we have been in since the end of December. As you can see on the daily, we're in a pretty strong uptrend. So I do expect that we'll keep trending up. But then this massive rally that I'm expecting right now will not happen. So yeah, I'll keep you updated on that. I'll monitor it closely, but for now, this is my take on the Lever token. So let me know if you have questions, but for now, take care and bye.